Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Orthopedic cooling gel and memory foam pet bed. It is for small, medium, and large dogs. Alright, so right here we have our Furhaven pet bed. It's offered in jumbo, small, medium, large, and jumbo plus. It does have zippers so you can remove the memory foam so you can wash the top of the bed. This is what it looks like all brought out. This one is the jumbo. It is made of polyester. The brand is Furhaven. It is a two-tone. This is the two-tone gray. You can see that it is a really nice size. The measurements of this bed, it is 32 by 40 by 4 inch. It is super comfortable. It is 100% recycled fluffy-filled. It is plush fax fur orthopedic support foam. It's a medical grade orthopedic foam, provides support and soothness to pressure points and a deeper, more restrictive sleep. So your puppy will love this memory foam bed. At the moment, my puppy likes to chew on it because she is a puppy. I did get the jumbo, which the jumbo overall is 40 by 32 by 4. The sleep surface is 35 inches by 27 inches. This is for pups up to 95 pounds. You've got the small, which is up to 20 pounds, the medium up to 35 pounds, and then you have the jumbo plus, which is up to 125 pounds. So if you're looking for a nice little comfortable bed for your pup, I would definitely recommend this. Do check the measurements and sizes. So if you have a massive dog, which I know my pup will get bigger here in the next couple months, so the jumbo will take up to 95 pounds. So she's got a while of using this. If you have bigger dogs, I would definitely recommend getting the jumbo plus. Those are for dogs up to 125 pounds. So if you're definitely looking for a nice comfortable bed for your little dog, I would definitely recommend this bed.